Number 6 on the list of essential 7 variables is travel speed.
Travel speed.
Travel speed.
Travel speed. Travel speed? How fast can I move this gun? It's not a contest, it's a controlled value. Like, I really need to be able to understand, am I trying to run this at 8 to 10 inches a minute? Or is the weld size and the material thickness I'm working on, does it allow me to move even faster in that 15 to 20 to 30 range even? Robotics, I'm gonna move a lot faster with that, but still travel speed is something that I have to be able to understand and use correctly. How fast do I wanna move? Same thing can be said for travel speed when I'm TIG welding as well. It's gonna be a case of how fast am I able to move with that material type. Obviously with aluminums, it's gonna be hot and fast, and if I'm gonna be on some steel with maybe some silicon bronze or some stainless filler on mild steel, like I'm gonna have a pretty good speed for travel, depending on what I'm using for filler. So, but again, we're gonna combine all that stuff. We got our amperage set for this process. We've got our voltage set. We've got work angle. We've got our travel angle. And then we've got our contact tip to work distance. And then we've got travel speed we're gonna pull into play now.
And that's how we can control the travel speed of this process at number 6.